Here, the exercise 11.3. First problem is evaluate in that the first bit tan 36 degrees cot 54 degrees. Second one is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Third one cosec 31 minus sec 59 sin 15 sec 75 degrees. Fifth one tan 26 degrees tan 64 degrees. First in this problem I am giving clue for you, just easy to understand. Just you can observe the degrees. 36 plus 54 how much? It is 90 degrees. 12 degrees plus 78 degrees how much? 90 degrees. 31 degrees plus 59 degrees how much? 90 degrees. 15 degrees plus 75 degrees how much? 90 degrees. 26 degrees plus 64 degrees how much? 90 degrees. This is the clue, and you can use the formula. You know that sine of 90 minus x, 90 degrees minus x degrees equal to cos x degrees. Cos 90 degrees minus x degrees is equal to sine x degrees. Tan of 90 degrees minus x degrees equal to cot x degrees. These are the complement angles. Cot of 90 degrees minus x degrees equal to tan x degrees. Secant 90 degrees minus x degrees equal to cosec x degrees. Cosec 90 minus x degrees equal to sec x degrees. If you know the idea about these complement angles in the right angle, then you can easy to calculate these problems. The first one, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. You can change only one term, either numerator or denominator. If you want to change numerator, then you can write how you are getting the 36 degrees. Tan of 90 degrees minus 54 degrees, you are getting tan 36 degrees. Denominator, you write as usual, no change. Okay. First, you can observe the sum of the angles, is it 90 or not. Next, you can concentrate about the complement angles. Next, you can change only one term. Don't change two terms. You write tan 36 degrees in the place of 36, 90 minus 54. This 90 minus 54, then 36. So, you are getting same 36 degrees. But from the complement angle, 90 degree minus x degrees is equal to cot x degrees. So tan of 90 minus x means cot x. X is the 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees. One's you are getting 1. Therefore, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees, the value is 1. It will come in the half mark question. Fill in the blank. Okay. Second problem. Second one is cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. It is equal to, just you want to change any one of the term. Either you can change cos or you can change sin. The cos 12 degrees you can write cos of 90 degrees minus 78 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. You know that cos 90 minus x degrees equal to sin x degrees. So it is sin 78 degrees minus the second term as usual, sin 78. It is equal to 0. Therefore, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees the value is 0. Third one, cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Cosec and sec both are interrelated. You can change in the place of cosec, you write cosec 90 minus 59 degrees, then it will be the 31 degrees. You can subtract 90 minus 59, then that is equal to 31. The second term you write as it is secant of 59 degrees. And you know that from the complement angle of the right angle triangle, cosec 90 minus x degrees equal to secant x degrees, that is secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. It is also 0. Fourth one, sine 15 degrees secant 75 degrees. This is equal to, you can write the, you can change any one of the complement, that is either sine or secant. If you change the sine means you can write sine of 90 minus 75 degrees, 90 degrees minus 75 degrees. It is the secant 75 degrees. This is equal to, by the complement angle, sine 90 minus x degrees equal to cos x degrees, that is cos 75 degrees. Secant is nothing but we know that 1 by cos x, that is 1 by cos 75 degrees. Cos 75, cos 75, 1. Then it is equal to 1. Fifth one, tan 26 degrees, tan 64 degrees. You can change any one of the factor, that is either tan 26 degrees or tan 64 degrees. You can change only one only, not change the two. Here I can take 26 degrees is replaced with tan of 90 degrees minus 64 degrees. Then I am getting the same 26 degrees. The second one is as it is, that is tan 64 degrees only. From the complement angle, tan 90 minus x degrees is cot x degrees, cot 64 degrees, tan 64 degrees. Cot is nothing but cos 64 degrees by sine 64 degrees. Tan means sine 64 degrees by cos 64 degrees. Cos, sine, get cancelled, it is equal to 1. And we know that cot x is also equal to 1 by tan x. You can change that also, your wish. If you have which idea, then you can implement that idea and you write the, in brackets, you can write what you are using. Okay. These are the solutions of the first bit. Okay. Second one, show that in that the first one is tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees equal to 1. Second one is cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sine 36 degrees, sine 54 degrees equal to 0. Here, first you can observe this. First 1 minute you can observe how to get it is equal to 1. Just you can take 48 degrees plus 42 degrees. 48 plus 42 equal to 90. 16 degrees plus 74 degrees equal to 90 degrees. If you get this idea, then you can change what you want to change. You are getting that idea also. Here, you no need to change these two terms. Only you can change these two factors, tan 48, tan 16. Why? Because, and one more thing, we know that tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. From that we get, if you change the complement angles for these two factors, then you are getting cot only. Cot is nothing but that is write as 1 by tan. So first I can take tan of 90 degrees minus x degrees is equal to cot x degrees, and cot x equal to 1 by tan x we use in this first one. The first one is tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees. This is the LHS. It is equal to, we can write in the place of 48 degrees, tan of 90 degree minus 42 degrees. It becomes 48. Tan of 90 degree minus 74 degrees. It becomes 16 degrees. The other two you write as it is, tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Next, from the complement angles, you can write tan of 90 minus x is cot x, that is cot 42 degrees into cot 74 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. We know that the cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. So it is 1 by tan 42 degrees into 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Tan 42 degrees ones are, tan 42 degrees ones are, tan 74 degrees ones are, is equal to 1 only. Therefore, tan 45 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. Second one, cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees equal to 0. We can show that one. First, we can take the LHS. LHS is equal to cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. In this also we can change only one term only. In the two factors are there, then we can write this cos of 36 degrees can be written as 90 degree minus 54 degrees. Cos 54 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. Just you can subtract, you are getting the 54. You can subtract these two, you are getting the 36. The remaining second term you write the as it is sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. It is equal to, from the complement angles, we can write cos 90 minus x is sin 54 degrees. It is sin 36 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees. AB minus BA, both are product, AB into AB equal to BA, so you can write product, this subtraction will become 0. Therefore, cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees equal to 0. Third one, if tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, Find the value of A. Here, same we are using the complement angle only. Tan 2A means we can write tan 2A equal to cot of A minus 18 degrees. Here 2A is an acute angle, means that is less than 90 degrees only. We know that cot of 90 minus 2A is equal to tan 2A. We can substitute or this, or we can take cot of A minus 18 degrees is equal to tan of 90 minus A minus 18 degrees. We can choose any one. From these two, better to choose tan 2A equal to cot of 90 minus 2A. Let it be equation 1. This is equation 2. Equation 2, from equation 1 and 2, we can write in the place of tan 2A, cot of 90 minus 2A equal to cot of A minus 18 degrees. Both sides cot functions are there. So the angles should be equal. In this, 90 degree minus 2A equal to cot of A minus 18 degrees. This 2A is taking to right side, 18 degrees taking to left side. Then it becomes 90 plus 18 is equal to A plus 2A. This is 3A equal to 108. Then A equal to 108 by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 six are. So A is 36 angle. Therefore, A equal to 36 degrees. 2A is 72. It is exactly acute angle only. Therefore, the value of A is 36 degrees. It is the third one. Fourth one. If tan A equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Solution. We know that by the complement angles of right angle triangle, that is tan of 90 minus A equal to cot A, cot of 90 minus A equal to tan A. If we can write, given that tan A equal to cot B, then in the place of tan A, we can write cot of 90 minus A equal to cot B from the acute angle. Both sides functions are same, cot. Then angle should be equal. 90 degree minus A equal to B. From this, A is taking to right side. 90 degrees is equal to A plus B. It is the solution. Fifth one. If A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. It is also very simple. We know that sum of three interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That is, A, B, C are the interior angles, means we can write sum of the three angles should be 180 degrees. In this C is taking to right side, then A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. Next, divide on both sides with 2. We are getting A plus B by 2 equal to 180 degree minus C by 2. From this, A plus B by 2 equal to 180 degrees by 2 minus C by 2. That is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2. Taking tan on both sides, tan function on both sides, then tan of A plus B by 2 equal to tan of 90 degrees minus C by 2. From the complement angle of the triangle, we know that tan of 90 minus x degrees equal to cot x degrees. So it is equal to cot of C by 2 is equal to tan of A plus B by 2. This is also very, very important. It will come in the higher standard, in that basic concept. This is the basic concept. For the last problem in this exercise, sixth one. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios, in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees plus 45, 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Solution. Express, this is in terms of trigonometric ratios only. What are the trigonometric ratios? Cos, sine, cot, tan, sec, cosec. And the given trigonometric ratios are in 75, 65 are there, but we can change into 0 to 45 degrees. And for that means, just you can check it, 90 degrees minus 75 degrees, it is equal to 15 degrees. It is belongs to 0 degrees less than 15 degrees is less than 45 degrees only. Okay. And 65 degrees means we can take 90 degrees minus 65 degrees is equal to 25 degrees. Okay. So it 25 degrees is also 0 degrees is less than 25 degrees is less than 45 degrees. If we can take the given ratios in the complement form, then those angles lies in between of 0 degrees and 45 degrees. That is our idea. by observing the question only. So here we can take sine of 75 degrees plus cos of 65 degrees. It is equal to, the 75 can be written as sine of 90 minus 15 degrees is becomes 75 degrees plus cos of 90 degrees minus 25 degrees is equal to 65 degrees. You don't take 75 minus 75 minus 65. Just after subtraction you are getting the same term only. So 90 minus 15 is 75 sine 75, no change about that term. 90 minus 25 is equal to 65, no change about that term. Now we can apply the complement. We know that sine of 90 minus x is equal to cos x from the complement angles. Cos of 90 minus x equal to sin x. These are degrees only. So we can interchange, we can take the complements. Sin 90 minus x is cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. Therefore, the trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees only. The trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. It's over. The exercise is also completed.